Thutha wa haho iria koretwo kuo mwena wa Kapedo kurumirira abitha umwe wa ruhonge rwa GSU kuragwo ni aici a mahiu muthenya wa Kiumia, undu uria wacungiriirie urugari muhiu na thirikari ikiambika birigiceni ya gwethana na tabania a njuragano iyo. Ikuũ iria ciumanite na tharika ya wici wa mahiu no cithiite na mbere na kuongerereka thutha wa Miiri ya andu 6 gukorwo moragitwo gicigo bunge kia Arabal kaunti-ini ya Baringo rucini rwa umuthi. Mwihumbire wa amwe ni gucungiririe nganja waya gukorwo amwe ni andu marari na wiyathi guku umwe agicukirwo ni muici wa mahiu ona gutuika maabitha borithi ni maregete kuhithuria 6 acio nia. Kurerikana 6 acio mararutirwo mwena wa Chemolingot gicigo bunge gia Tiati kuria maracokire guthie kuragirwo mwena wa Mairo gicigo bunge kia Arabal kuria kuraire na tharika ya wici wa mahiu. Miiri no iria twarirwo thibitari-ini nene ya Baringo mwena wa Kabarnet yuma na nguraro cia rithathi guku gugicukirwo ikuũ icio ciumanite na birigiceni iria yambikitwo ni thirikari ya gwethana na aici a mahiu aria makoretwo magicungiriria haro. Kwa ihinda iraya thirikari ikoretwo ikihuthira mutaratara wa kwambika birigiceni cia gwethana na aici a mahiu niguo gwetha kihonia Kapedo. Mubunge wa Tiati William Kamket akiuga riu ni ihinda thirikari ibatie ni gucaria njira ingi cia gwetha kihonia gia tharika ici na njira ya kurora mihaka niguo kumenya kana Kapedo ireturukana kana Baringo.
In the last session of Parliament, the Senate went on a fact-finding mission on this boundary dispute. The report of that Senate committee has not been made public nor acted upon. Men must invest in the social and economic welfare of the residents of the region. As things stand today, the government is spending millions of shillings daily on sustaining a heavy security presence in the region. In the end, the results being achieved are a direct opposite of what is intended.
Magicakaya ikuũ iria ihanikite iria ni hamwe na gikuũ kia abitha wa GSU mutongoria wa aria ingi bunge-ini ya Senate Samuel Pogisio nioritie atongoria a ruriri rwa Pokot na Turukana aria nio makoragwo na haro ici mahinda kwa mahinda guka hamwe na gwetha kihonia gia thina uyu.
So the solution is not to deal with one community. The solution is to bring these two communities together and find a lasting solution. The solution is not necessarily in trying to punish that community because of the mistakes of a few.
Appeal for restraint, sanity, and dialogue in Kapedo. Without that, we will only see more mayhem.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV getwo Baithira wa Kihara.